Hello kids, are you ready? Let's go! R-E-D, red. This is red color. Look here, a strawberry and an apple. Which one is red? The strawberry or the apple? Say your answer.
Strawberry.
Yes! The strawberry is red. Say R-E-D.
Red.
Nice. Next. B-L-U-E. Blue. This is blue color. Look here, a cap and a hat. Which one is blue? The cap or the hat? Say your answer.
Cap.
Correct. The cap is blue. Say B-L-U-E.
Blue.
Excellent. Next. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. This is yellow color. Look here, a sun and a moon. Which one is yellow? The sun or the moon? Say your answer.
Sun.
Great! The sun is yellow. Say Y-E-L-L-O-W.
Yellow.
Awesome! Next. G-R-E-E-N. Green. This is green color. Look here, a pumpkin and a brinjal. Which one is green? The pumpkin or the brinjal? Say your answer.
Pumpkin.
Good job! The pumpkin is green. Say G-R-E-E-N.
Green.
Next. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. This is orange color. Look here, a kiwi and a orange. Which one is orange? The kiwi or the orange? Say your answer.
Orange.
Correct. The orange is orange color. Say O-R-A-N-G-E.
Orange.
Gorgeous. Next. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. This is purple color. Look here, a grape and a banana. Which one is purple? The grape or the banana? Say your answer.
Grape.
Grape. The grape is purple. Say P-U-R-P-L-E.
Purple.
Nice. Next. P-I-N-K. Pink. This is pink color. Look here, a rose and a marigold. Which one is pink? The rose and the marigold. Say your answer.
Rose.
Well done. The rose is pink. Say P-I-N-K.
Pink.
Excellent. Next. B-L-A-C-K. Black. This is black color. Look here, a cat and a mouse. Which one is black? The cat or the mouse? Say your answer.
Cat.
Yes, the cat is black. Say B-L-A-C-K.
Black.
Next. W-H-I-T-E. White. This is white color. Look here. A monkey and a rabbit. Which one is white? The monkey or the rabbit? Say your answer.
Rabbit.
Correct. The rabbit is white. Say W-H-I-T-E.
White.
Next. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. This is brown color. Look here. A teddy bear and an elephant. Which one is brown? The teddy bear or the elephant? Say your answer.
Teddy bear.
Good. The teddy bear is brown. Say B-R-O-W-N.
Brown.
Awesome. Great job, friends. You learned so many colors today. Let's say them again. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, black, white, brown. Yay! You are a color champion. See you next time with more fun learning.